going to quickly walk through what I do to get this up and running in Spring STS. So to begin with, I'm going to go to my terminal, and inside of my .bash profile, I'm on a Mac. I have some aliases set up to switch to my different environments. So if I get out of here, bang, and type set JDK 11 and do Java-version, I am on Java 11. So that's up and running. Close out of this. I have already downloaded Spring STS 4. Not going to make you watch me go through downloading it. If I drag this over into applications, it will go ahead and install it. Takes me a couple of seconds there. I have downloaded the exercise files that you can see here, and the specific demo that I had a request for was module 3, and I've grabbed the after. I copy that, I go into my dev. I have a workspace directory. I just created one test. And I'm going to go ahead and actually delete this entire workspace so you see it all from scratch. So move the test, create a new folder, test. Inside of here, I'm going to paste this item after. I'm going to rename that just for my own well-being as conference. Now if I open up STS, give it a second to load up. Doing this all from scratch. Takes it a second to load the first time through. I'm going to change the workspace to that directory. So I have dev, workspace, test. Don't choose conference, choose the directory above it. Launch it. You'll notice it created that metadata folder behind the screen. You may have not noticed that. Inside of here, this is the default home page to the IDE when it loads up for the first time. I'm going to choose File, Import, Maven, existing Maven project, navigate to that dev workspace test directory that I created and choose conference. Click Open and Finish. It's going to go ahead and build everything. You'll notice in the lower right hand portion of my screen, it's importing all that stuff. It says it's a boot project, but if we open up our POM file, it is packaging type war. So we know we've converted it over to a war, not as a boot project. Now I'm going to create a server, and I don't have the servers tab open yet. Going to go to Window, Show View, Other, Server, Servers. I like to have that over in this pane here. Again, this was all a new setup. I don't have a server created yet, so I'm going to click this link to create a new server. I'm going to choose Apache Tomcat 9. I already had 9.0.30. I'm going to go up to my dev tools directory, and you can see I have Apache Tomcat 9, and this is one I just expanded. I'm going to click Open at that root of that directory and Finish. Now I can come down here and right-click on it and say Add and Remove. Select the conference app, move over, click Finish, and now I can go ahead and start up that server. You should see a startup console just like I have down here. And now I can do a new window and go to localhost conference. There is the original index. And if I go to greeting, it says hello Brian. So if that's not what you're experiencing, let me know, but that's exactly how I set it up. That's how I did it from a completely clean install with Spring STS4, Java 11, a new Tomcat server, downloading the exercise files. That's step by step how I walk through it.